Hey guys, it's a Financial here and I'm back with another video. So welcome to my channel if you are new. If you like what you see here, please feel free to join the family and subscribe. And welcome back to my channel if you are a returning subscriber. So please excuse my face. I'm just now waking up, or just waking up not too long ago. My eyes are puffy, even though I just washed my face, but it is what it is because this is not a glamorous video. I'm not looking good in this video. This is a retie and chat video. I want to, start finishing up my retie. I started it for about an hour last night, went to sleep, and now I'm back at it again. And I thought it would be a good idea for me to bring you guys along for the process. This is not going to be a tutorial video, just more of me just retying and chatting with you guys. But I will have a tutorial on how I interlock my hair coming up once I get to the front of my head, and then I can show you guys how I do that. But for this video, we're just chatting, we're just talking. So stay tuned if you're interested in that. So you guys know when I interlock my hair, I just use water, and then I still have my interlocking kit that I got from Amazon. So that has clips and my interlocking tools, as well as hair ties and things like that. So I just have my hair separated into the top half and the bottom half, and this is what I have done so far. And this loose section right here is what I'm going to be working on right now. So let's just get into it. It's just a lot going on in the world. It just seems like every time I look up, there's always something going on, and it's really making me afraid for a lot of things. I feel like I have been on high alert lately with everything that's been going on, and it's just really making me appreciate being around my family more and being around those who really do care about me, because it is just too much going on in the world. Like, we had to deal with the pandemic, then they're trying to overturn women's rights. Inflation is going crazy. Rent is crazy. Food, gas, wars, like it's mass shootings, racially motivated mass shootings. It's just too much. It's just way too much. I wish everybody out there, I just hope that you guys stay safe. Beware of your surroundings at all time, and do what you can to protect yourself and your family, because it's becoming way too much for me. I feel like that's why I took a little break from posting for a little bit, because I had to give myself some time to recharge. I needed to recharge and get my brain together, because it's kind of hard sometimes as like a creator to try to post videos, or just try to post anything in general about a different topic when there's so much darkness going on in the world. Like, sometimes I don't feel justified in posting about my business or posting about my locks, when it's just so much more important things to be talked about and to be mentioning and to be worried about, other than my hair or my business. Sometimes that to me feels a little selfish, but I understand that life goes on and you have to continue to do what you have to do, but it's just, to me, it becomes a little bit much at times. So I just have to take myself away from it all for a little bit, get my brain together, regroup, and then come back. So I hope you guys are dealing with this stuff okay out there. I hope you guys are finding ways to cope and just stay safe, because it's a lot that's going on and it's getting really kind of scary. Me, I have not only myself to worry about, but I have children to worry about, and it kind of scares me, because I brought them into this crazy world, this crazy environment, and I have to do what I have to do to protect them, and it kind of scares me to see what they have to deal with in the future, especially with the way that things is going now. It's just so much craziness in the world. It's just a lot. Oh, and if you hear my smoke detector, I do apologize for that. We're trying to change the battery on the smoke detector, but they freaking painted the smoke detector to the wall. So we have to like get our maintenance person down here so that they can take it off the wall, because I cannot get it off. I can't do it. I've tried, a man has tried, it's just not working. So if you hear that, I do apologize. But as of right now, I'm just gonna wait for the maintenance to come and pry that thing off the wall, because it's just not working right now. Hey baby. You got pee-pee? Alright, I was just my baby. She had to use the bathroom. She always has to use the bathroom when I'm in here filming, or when I'm just in here, period. But that's motherhood, that's how that goes. Speaking of motherhood, I'm not sure if you guys had a chance to catch the last video that I posted, which was yesterday, on me replacing my waist beads. And in that video, you got to see more of my baby bump, because yes, I am 6 months pregnant, and I'm kind of excited and nervous at the same time for this new edition. This will be my last edition, baby number 3. I'm hoping for a boy because I have 2 daughters, so a son would just, you know, round everything out. And plus, Dad really wants a boy because he doesn't have one. He has his 2 little princesses and not, you know, his little son. So I definitely want a boy. I actually wanted a girl and a boy, just 2, girl and boy, and be done. But that wasn't for me, I guess. I'm really envious of people who have that. Like, you can have your girl and your boy, you know, you're done. But I have my beautiful girls. I love them. They're both awesome. Like, they are just, and I guess it's just me being biased because those are my babies, but they amaze me every day. Like, especially my oldest. Like, she just, I don't know. She's been here before. My oldest has definitely been here before. And my baby, oh man, it's gonna be hard to try to transition her from being the baby to being a big sister, you know, middle child. But she loves babies. My cousin recently had a baby girl, and every time we go over there, she tries to take her and hold her and bring her home. She says that that's her baby. So I'm hoping that once this baby gets here, she will love on it and adore it and not be mean to it, and, you know, play that good big sister role. But as of right now, I do not know the sex of the baby. I'm really excited to figure out what we are having. A part of me, I kind of been putting it off because I'm not even joking. I'm really scared that it's going to be another girl. I'm kind of scared that it's going to be another girl. That's why I haven't asked for the sex or anything yet. I've just been going with the flow. A part of me is just probably going to try to just ride it out until the baby gets here, and then we'll have that gender reveal once the baby is born. That's kind of what I'm thinking about doing, because honestly, I am kind of nervous. Oh, there's the kitties in the background now. But I will be excited either way, but this is definitely my last child, so because I think 3 is enough. Pregnancy and childbirth and raising children, motherhood, fatherhood, parenthood, it is not a game. It's not a game. It's not a game. It's not a joke, and it takes a lot. So I think I will be good with 3. I'm really excited for the new edition. So I do have a question for you guys. You guys can just leave your comments down below. But I've been seeing like a debate on TikTok recently, because I'm always on TikTok. TikTok is like, oof, TikTok is a whole nother planet. But by the way, if you're not following me on TikTok, I will leave all that information down below. Definitely follow me on TikTok. Keep up with me. My kids are in the background going crazy, but that's life. But yeah, so I have a question for you guys, and I've been seeing this debate on TikTok a lot. So it's basically the retie, retwist, or not to retwist debate. There's a lot of people with locks that are saying that your locks aren't meant to be 100% perfect. Your locks aren't supposed to be frizz-free and neat and clean all the, well, not clean, but not like super neat and put together all the time. Your locks are meant to be, you know, messy sometimes and not as perfect, and it's okay not to retie your hair or retwist your hair that often. And then you have other people that are saying like, no, you have to make sure that you retwist your hair often or retie your hair often because it looks unkept, it looks, you know, messy, blah 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 blah. Me personally, I feel that it's a preference. As long as you make sure that your hair is healthy, you can go a while without, you know, retwisting or interlocking your hair based on like what works best for you, but not let it go to the point where your locks are basically falling off at the bone, to where when you actually go through it, you are breaking or you have to take out locks and locks are missing in spots. Like I personally feel like you don't have to lock your hair like every month, or you know, I feel like you can go a good 2 months without locking your hair or retwisting your hair, as long as it's not causing damage to your hair. Because even though locks is a low maintenance hairstyle, you do have to maintain it. So how do you guys feel about that? Like, what side of the fence are you on? Are you like, hey, we have to do like a tight schedule every 4 to 6 weeks, every this or so that? Or are you okay with letting your hair grow out a little bit before you decide to retie it or retwist it? I will push not having my locks retwisted for a while. This retie is coming at 6 weeks. This is like 6 weeks from my last retie. And I could have pushed it out another 2 weeks, and I was actually thinking about pushing it out for another 2 weeks, but I'm going to be moving soon, so I want to just make sure that I have my retie done, and so I don't have to be worried about that once I move, because once I move, I'm probably going to push my retie out for like at least 8 weeks because I'm not going to be worried about it. Well, guys, I appreciate you sitting here and chatting with me. My kids are getting a little restless, so I'm about to go and entertain them for a second. But if you have any questions for me or any comments, please leave them down for me below, and I'll definitely get back to you on that. And if you like videos like this, just let me know down below, and I'll definitely get some more videos like this out to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace.